I understand that we are not perfect, but the little things that we do to keep the family in the right direction goes a long way. If you need help organizing the family with less stress, these tips that we share into this video might be useful. Hi friends, welcome back to Miato V. On this channel I share videos on family series, lifestyles and vlogs. Thank you all for always coming back to my videos. Creating a cleaning routine and sticking to that routine is one of the ways to organize your family with less stress. But you first have to identify what works for you, how you want to clean, what you want to clean, and how often you want to do it. Create a common space where basic things needed for the family are kept, that every family member can easily locate it without having to ask anyone. For instance, if it is the case, you have a fixed space for them that they can easily locate, maybe their toy or even their snacks, without having to ask anyone for it, because it is much easier to find things or even pack away things when they have a fixed place. If not already, I suggest to start planning a family menu. It could help the family stick to budget like it is done in some homes. They have varieties of food labeled in the kitchen. With that, you already have an idea as to what to prepare for the family on a certain day. It will save you time of asking each family member about their preference of food or day. I hope this will helpful to someone who's looking for some of the simplest ways to organize their family with less stress. Thank you all for watching. Please comment below on what you think about this video. I love you all and I see you in my next video.